Hello bikers! A massive explosion is about to happen in the world of sports bikes. The sales champion of the 400cc segment in 2025, the CFMOTO 450SR, is returning in an even more powerful form. Imagine if your favorite bike came fitted directly from the factory with a world-renowned Akrapovic exhaust. How would that be? Yes, the 2026 model of the 450SR is going to include an imported Akrapovic Edition, which has already been confirmed by the company. With 51 horsepower and a top speed of 192 km per hour, this bike is already ruling the market, and now that signature roar is being added to it. But the question is, amidst strict legal restrictions, will this sound remain as pure as before, or will there be a major change in performance? In today's video, we will discuss all of this in detail. It is worth considering why the CFMOTO 450SR sold more than 15,000 units last year despite the crowd of four-cylinder bikes in the market. Its core strength is its twin-cylinder engine with a 270-degree crankshaft, which delivers excellent performance in both the city and on the highway. Those who use the bike know that its balance and control are, in a word, extraordinary. However, one major issue was its quiet exhaust note. Many would secretly install an Akrapovic or other exhausts, but they had to live in constant fear of police trouble and annual fitness checks. The 2026 Akrapovic Edition is essentially an official solution to that very problem. While the addition of an Akrapovic exhaust is happy news, there are some tough challenges behind it. In China, it is illegal for sound levels to exceed 80 decibels, yet a standard Akrapovic exhaust note can reach up to 90 decibels. This means that to keep the bike legally valid, the company will likely have to use a silencer plug or dB killer. Because of this, that raw roar might feel somewhat diminished. Furthermore, adhering to strict current emission standards has become a major challenge. Having the levels of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emissions and obtaining environmental clearance for an imported exhaust is a very complex process. And the market is now much more competitive than before. Especially four-cylinder bikes like the Kove 450RR are now a big threat. Where the 450SR has 51 horses, the Kove bike has 70.7 horsepower and a 220 km per hour top speed. With its price being around 30,000 yuan or equivalent price, many are leaning toward four cylinders. However, the potential price for the 2026 CFMOTO 450SR Akrapovic Edition is set at 26,000 yuan, which is slightly lower than its rivals. The big advantage of the 450SR is its practicality. It lacks the hassle of constant gear changes for city riding. In conclusion, the new 2026 450SR Akrapovic Edition is primarily for those who prefer looks, prestige, and legal, hassle-free modifications over raw performance. It is a package that will give you a distinct identity on the streets. Now the question is for you, will you choose this balanced twin-cylinder or prioritize the speed and roar of a four-cylinder? Share your thoughts in the comment box. If you liked the video, give it a like and stay tuned by subscribing.